interview, right? Thank you for coming to the Blocksworld 2 interview.
Yes.
Very happy to have you, Zenwonth.
Yes.
Technically, it's pronounced Zenes, but yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Or,
I just I thought it. No, yeah.
Okay, so what do you want? So we have a question.
What?
How exactly did you create the Blocksworld secondary server?
Okay, so it was all way back in December 2020. Back then, I was with Salvatus, and I just discovered that I could basically mod the source code of Blocksworld. So I looked in the code and I saw that there was something that could change to get a different API server, because an API is basically what the game uses to communicate with the server and have the walls, the models, etc. And so what I did was mod the game, which is now called XDLIN, and I created on API server, which is called BW API.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
So you made So you made a new API server, and then you used Extelin in order to rerun the game. So
Yes.
That's cool.
That's nice. I'm really glad with what you did.
So how old were you when you made the thing?
I was around 13 years old.
13?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Nice.
I am 15, and I am still not doing anything with my life. So.
It's common.
So is there anything you would want to say, since we're recording this and it's going to the video?
Something more I could try to say is yes, the famous multiplayer mode. I still haven't worked in for it on it's been 1 year since last time. So yeah, I guess multiplayer will come one day, but not now.
Nice.
So does it cost you any money to run the servers, or how do you run them?
Oh yes. So in the start, I run them on my own PC. That is, day and night, this PC will keep turning and being on.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
I had to stop at some point, or otherwise it would wear the components of my computer. So, but instead, someone called Dennis offered to host Blocksworld secondary server, and there I just had to put the files, and I will get to manage everything. So it was quite cool for him, and of course he does it for free.
Nice. That's pretty
Nice.
cool then.
Yeah.
What did you do on Blocksworld before the secondary server?
Oh, to be honest, not much, but I didn't publish much wars, and I wasn't popular, but I played a lot of Blocksworld. When I was younger, I used to play it every day for hours during the vacations.
Wow.
I would create a lot of wars, test the scripting, etc. I made worlds some painter, and I also started to make a game. It was supposed to be a huge game, but I haven't published it on the first server, before Linda Lab shut it down.
Yeah.
And now I made a computer inside of Blocksworld. So yeah.
I think I remember playing one project like that back in the day, where it was there was a virtual computer thing. That was kind of cool.
I think I
think.
remember also playing something like that, but not very much. I think I remember. I used to. I think that that game used to Blocksworld used to make me think that popular was pronounced polar for some reason. Yeah.
Wow, guys, I'm really polar.
Oh damn.
So, what do you think of Blocksworld's like state when it shut down? Like about all the new like the in-app purchases they were adding, the thing where they lost the sponsorship with Hasbro and stuff. How do you feel about that? And that like,
Well, that was very unfortunate. Like, I lived all that. But honestly, I had the same news as everyone, and the same rumors, like Leslie getting fired at some point, I think. And same, like, I think it was around 2020, a few months after I started the secondary server, that Linden Lab shut down Blocksworld. And currently they literally shut down the DNS. So, and sadly, a new hope of the time ever bringing back Blocksworld is done, I guess.
Oh.
yeah.
So.
I th-
What did
You
you,
wanna ask
what
a
do you
question?
think of what do you think of all of like I'd say around the 2017 and 2018 stuff. I don't really remember the date exactly, where it was like inappropriate worlds and all that other stuff. What do you think of that?
Oh yes, back well, let's say I just follow popular creators. I wasn't very much affected by it, but looking in the play tab for new worlds and others, yeah, you could see some offending, let's say, offending worlds, but I don't remember specific examples as like it was 6 years ago. But yes.
Oh wow, I can't. That was 6 years ago. That's like actually a lot of time. I didn't realize it's been that long.
Wow.
So are there any new features you want to add to the Blocksworld server? Like the
Like I said first, eventually I will have multiplayer. I hope when I have time, because adding multiplayers will require to like change a lot of the game code, and it won't be able to work on the iOS version. So yes, I'm still considering that. I also already added many features to Blocksworld 2, like the clone script that's completely bugged, but it works. Or in the last version of Xlin, like 0.6.2, I added a no snap mode. This is when you press shift, you can move the block as freely as you want, rotate them as freely as you want, without sticking to the grid.
Oh, that would be a good idea because yeah, I think that'd be good. But do you think you'll ever add like comment sections and like be able, so you could be able to like comment on people's worlds and stuff? Because I know that was like one of the requested features back in the day.
Yes, similarly to multiplayer, it will require changing a lot of game code. Not as much as doing multiplayer for sure, but basically I will have to change the world view in order to have some sort of comments button, and this will require me to have a world system to replicate Blocksworld Grid's element, and that's something complex that I've been working on since long, and I hope I can do it someday.
Yeah. All right.
Um.
Do you think we have any other questions?
Yeah.
I
don't really.
think we're good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you so much. This is amazing.
We really appreciate it.
Welcome.
So we're like Did Avalanche tell you how we were gonna put this in like a video or something?
We're gonna be making a video about Blocksworld because we
I
both
like it.
played Blocksworld.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah. Do you have any like social medias or anything you want to link to, or anything like?
Honestly, I'm not on Twitter. I'm not on Facebook. I have social medias, but that's like personal, so no. I guess.
All right. In that case, I guess we'll see you around.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It was really cool. Thank you. See you around, I guess.
Yes. See you around.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.